Just shake to find application. Say OK. Now these are the nearby spots that are here. Now you can just zoom in and check out the exact location, or you can even click on the pin. It says update to current location. And saying shake to find burger, pizza and everything. Just shake it and you find something else. Chinese restaurant. Shake it again, you find Italian restaurants. You gotta somehow shake it a little hard to get this to work actually. Thai restaurants. You can find all the locations and everything. You can go to custom search. You can search for the things that you want. I want Pizza Hut. Maybe it shows me. Let's say Japanese restaurant, whatever. Pizza again. So this is the list of all the pins that have been dropped. You can see it very clearly and nicely. This is the complete address. It's by Google Maps, so you can do all the things that you used to do in Google Maps. That's it.